Hi viewers, Samarnath Small Steps Trader channel. So before going to the video, today's tidbit: be bold, be light, be italic, but never regular. So how I take this is with respect to market. Don't be head mentality. So don't be the mass. So be unique. So if you see in the traders, 95% of people making loss. So you can say that is the mass, that is the head. So you don't be with that among that. So don't be regular. So that's how we have to take in the market aspect. Okay, now we will go to the video. So before going to the video, disclaimer: I am not SEBI registered advisor. So whatever I am speaking here is my views for educational purpose. So always do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. So after a couple of good positive sessions, today Nifty ended minus 48 points and ended at 19,395. So it giving some jerky movement. Let me see. This is jerky movement on towards upper side movement, or it end and move towards back side, downside. Let me see in the subsequent session. If we see the chart, we will get some clarity. So before going to the chart, today's statistics. Today the top gainer is M&M 4.21%, Apollo Hospital 3.70, Coal India 2.05, Power Grid 1.45, Industrial Bank 1.41%. Top loser is Adani Enterprises minus 1.77%, Hindustan Unilever minus 1.57, Adani Port minus 1.55, Tata Consumer minus 1.46, and ONGC minus 1.43%. So totally 2,557 stocks traded. In that, 1,050 stocks ended positively and 1,409 stocks ended negatively. 98 stocks prices unchanged. So 106 stocks touched the upper circuit limit and 67 stocks touched the lower circuit limit. Still that 106 upper circuit limit is a good sign. And similarly 112 stocks touched the 52-week high. This is also a very good number. Only 12 stocks touched the 52-week low. So today, who is the main culprit contributed negatively? The top two, if you see, Reliance minus 19.55 points and Infi minus 13.18 points. So the positive contribution is from M&M 13.19 and L&T 7.83 points. So these are about top contributors. Now we see the FIA data. So today the recording also quite delay and data also came quite early. So today the FIA data has come. It is 1,712 stock net selling the FIA and DAA 1,512 crores net buying. So totally in this month the FIA 5,907 crores net selling and DAA 5,204 crores net buying. So this is this month's day wise data. Now we will see the previous month wise data for the reference. So you can pause this video and have a glance. Now we will move to chart. Yeah. So the previous close Nifty is 19,443. If you see the first candle in either side, in both the side, it has had a dragged in the candle, but the end of the first candle it is in the negative, but from there it is straight to come in the positive side. It couldn't able to sustain, again came down, again it tried to move in the upper side, but couldn't able to sustain. So at the point around 12 o'clock, the highest today day high is 19,463. From there it started falling. If you see that from the high it has came down this, so around 80 points it has come down. So one stretch it has come 82 points, there is no look back. So this is about Nifty. And if you see the Bank Nifty, the chart pattern is quite different. Most of the time the Nifty and Bank Nifty, the price movement, the pattern would be similar, but today it's quietly different. So it started a bit of negative, but from there it is a very good rally. If you see here, this low to high, so around 324 points it has came in the upper side, but couldn't be able to sustain that. From there it started coming down, but still at the end it closed 24 point positively. So this is about intraday movement. Now we will see the positional trend. So Nifty, so last 2 sessions the momentum was very less. So today it is registered a negative point. So it giving the feeling that it couldn't be able to move progress, but we cannot lose the confidence hope. Let me see tomorrow how it closes. So the immediate resistance, we keep saying that 19,600 zone. So if couldn't be able to touch there, then it start move in the downside. The downside, the immediate support is 18,800. The recent post the price level is 18,800. So the same level would act as a support. In case that breaks decisively, the next strong support it's available at 18,000. So this is all about Nifty. Now we will see the Bank Nifty. So the Bank Nifty almost touched the resistance, we can see. So today the high is 43,877. So we said 44,000 is the immediate resistance. So from that it is just 123 point away. So Bank Nifty, that 123 is not a matter. So we can take this, it touched the resistance. But if you see this tail gives a quite less confidence now, less hope we can say, because a bear took control. So if tomorrow both Nifty and Bank Nifty closes positively, both penetrate this resistance. Otherwise there are chances it may move towards in the downside. So for the Bank Nifty, the downside support it's around 42,000, close to earlier recent down. So this is about Bank Nifty. So we cannot judge the market based on only the large cap. So we have to consider mid, small and micro cap. Those chart we will look now. So the left one is a micro cap. Today 20 point it's negatively closed, and mid and small 400 index 12 point negatively it is closed. But it's a negligible negative we can say. So it was very gradually it has moved towards the all-time high. So tomorrow if Nifty and Bank Nifty closes quite decisively in the positively, there are chances it may touch the all-time high. If you see the micro cap, so this is very close to the all-time high. So the all-time high is 16,921. So it has gone till 16,862. So it's very much close to the all-time high. And tomorrow the Bank Nifty and Nifty both closes positively. There are chances it will touch even 17,000 also. So this is about our Indian market. Now we will see our big brother US market. So last session it has closed Dow 40 point minus and S&P 500 4 point plus. So 40 point is not a big number we can say as far as Dow considers, and S&P 500 also just 4 point positive. So we can say it's almost a flat closure, we can say that. And today at time of recording this video, the FTSE and the UK and Euro market both are almost a bit positive, we can say. It's not a big number, but still if you see here 0.47, 0.44%, it's quite decently it is positive. So we hope the US market also today ends positively, so that give further momentum to Nifty and Bank Nifty tomorrow. So we will see the chart now. See the yesterday's candle is red, but if you see the last 3 sessions, the momentum is very less. So hope today if it goes positively, then there is lot of chances it will progress further. Otherwise, now this channel resistance would be act as a support to this price. So with that sense, it will come 33,600 would be the support downside. Similarly, if you see the broad market index, the similar pattern in the price auction, the similar pattern. So in case it couldn't able to progress further, the next support is 4,300. So it may be the pullback, we can say, in though it comes in the downside and both the S&P 500 and Dow. So this we can treat as a pullback until unless it decisively doesn't close inside the channel. Let us see how the subsequent session ends. So with this we close this video. I hope the video is very informative to you. Please do subscribe and like. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Bye bye.